never alone, alone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we'll be making a line skirt. First, you'll need your basic skirt block. Then draw a line from the dart point down to the hem. Then cut the line, then exclude the darts. So we have 4 panels. After labeling, get another piece of pattern paper and then draw a horizontal line, and this will be our hip line guide. So what we'll do is just to match the hip line of the pattern pieces to the vertical line, or I mean the horizontal line, and then extend the CF hem down to the skirt length or your desired length of skirt. So what I'm doing now is marking the 3 inches flare width and then connect it to the waist, or 3 inches from the waist or your first hip. Seam A is equal to the length of CF line. So after marking it, curve it with hip curve or French curve. Next is the SF panel. The same approach, we'll just extend the hem to the floor length and then mark the flare width, which is 6 inches. You can go higher or lower than that, it's up to you, and then connect it to the waist or to the first hip. Mark the true length and then curve it with hip curve. Next is the SB panel, and we're going to apply the same approach. Extend the panel down to the floor length or the length of the skirt and then mark the flare width. So that is 6 inches on both sides, and then connect it with to the waist or to the first hip, and then curve the hem. Finally, the CB panel, extend the hem down to the floor length and then mark the flare width. I just want to tell you guys that this is my own version, so this is really a bit different from the pattern books I've read and from the school that I attended. Most of the time, this is the method that I apply to all my A-line skirt projects. You can modify the measurements that I mentioned here, especially the flare width. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. And please like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends, and I'll see you next time.